The cabin air filter of this car model is behind the glove box. First, disconnect the cable on the side of the glove box. Then squeeze both sides of the glove box and pull it towards you to release it. You will then see the cabin air filter housing. Pull the tab on the left side and remove the housing cover. Take out the old cabin air filter. Clean the debris in the cabin. As you can see, this old filter is filled with pollen, debris and dust. Insert the new filter. The airflow direction arrow should be pointing down. Reinstall the tab. Before attaching the glove box, make sure the cable is out of the way. Then swing back the glove box and then reconnect the cable. That's it. Super easy. Visit freshenup.ca to shop the cabin air filter for your Jeep Grand Cherokee today.